Marshmallow Fluff slime, and it's supposed to be scented like marshmallow fluff, but it actually smells more like Play-Doh and marshmallow fluff. This slime, not only does it smell like Play-Doh, but it actually feels a lot like Play-Doh, and it's got good slime stretch. It is a good high quality slime, but again, it definitely comes across like Play-Doh. This is like a Play-Doh slime, if you ask me. It's very good quality, wonderful pulls, no pops. It does not pop at all, but it is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and rate this one a 7 out of 10, just because I'm not a big fan of the smell, and it's not my favorite slime ever. And for the price, I would have kind of expected a little more. This next slime that I'm reviewing is Slimy Honey's River Rocks slime, and this slime doesn't really have much of a scent. This is a beautiful color. The ASMR on it is really cool as well. The slime itself came in very sticky. It was tearing apart very easily. It's a slow pull slime for sure. But the thing that really gets you about this slime are the fact that the rocks fall out easily and it won't come off your fingers. As you can see, the further I play with it, the more the rocks just fall out. I'm going to rate this slime a 5 out of 10 because for the price, I really expected more.